I'm a little bit of a stickler when it comes to having clean floors, especially in the kitchen. And I much prefer the spray style mop over the traditional mop that requires buckets of water and wringing out. I actually broke my spray mop the other day, and so I'm excited to hear what you have to say, because these weren't on the market when I bought my first spray mop.
Perfect timing for the testing. And you're so right. These are a lot more convenient to both use and store than a bucket and a big old-fashioned mop. We had a lineup of 6 of them. The prices range from $22 to $48. And these are great for, routine spills, daily life. So that's how we tested them. We spilled a little coffee on the floor. We tracked in some dirt and some mud on the floor. And we also smeared honey and heavy cream. And those were all on tile floors.
All right, so all of these work with both hardwood and tile.
Yeah, I get the sense you're kind of itching to do a little mopping, Julia.
My trigger finger is already wanting to squeeze this handle.
I am going to facilitate this for you with this cup of coffee. Allow me to spill a little.
Happens most mornings. This is real life for me. All right, just a little spray. Ooh, that's a good spray. All right. Ooh, this is a good one.
Nice, huh?
I like it. I like it. You know what I like is it does this.
Yeah.
Super agile.
In our test, the effectiveness came down to the pads largely. Most of them are made from microfiber, which is a super absorbent fabric that's made from little tiny fibers of polyester and nylon. Testers really liked when there was a double thick pad because it was more absorbent. Testers also appreciated when a mop came with multiple pads so that you're in the middle of cleaning, you can just swap out the pad. You don't have to worry about cleaning it, anything like that. It was nice when they were machine washable, just for convenience. And in terms of effectiveness, size helped. The range in the lineup was 11.5 to 18 inches. Anything that was 15 inches or longer. You can see that purple one right there. That was one of the smaller ones.
Oh, yeah.
Not going to cover as much ground as a bigger one.
Nope.
In terms of the handle length, there was only a variation of about 4 inches, 48 inches to 52 inches. Testers preferred them a little bit longer because there was less bending involved.
Yep.
In terms of the grip and the trigger, bigger was better. A more generously sized grip like that one was more comfortable. A more generously sized trigger allowed testers to put a couple of fingers around it instead of just one.
That's important to me.
Try that beige one there. That was one of the smaller ones, and that was less comfortable.
Oh, yeah.
And the last thing was weight. That one was about 2 pounds.
Yeah.
Testers felt like it was a little too light. It actually glided over the mess.
Oh, yeah.
Heavier ones like this one, this was closer to 4 pounds. And that was still light enough to be agile and maneuverable, but it had a little scrubbing power. It did a little of the work itself.
Oh, I can feel that.
Yeah. Now, if you're someone like me who would rather make the mess than clean the mess, really the only fun part of using a mop is spraying. And we liked mops that had further, wider spray, like this one. This one, if you squeeze the trigger the whole way, it sprayed up to 8 feet. If you just squeeze part of the way, a little closer. So it's adjustable based on how hard you squeeze it.
I love that.
This one is actually our winner. There's another right down there.
One for you, one for me.
This is the O-Cedar Pro Mist Max microfiber spray mop. I think it's going to be your new spray mop. And it's a little over $31.
Oh, and not too expensive.
Nope.
Thanks, Adam. There you go. If you're in the market for a new spray mop, check out the O-Cedar Pro Mist Max microfiber spray mop at just $31. Vroom, vroom. If you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, try our digital all-access membership, where you can stream every season of Cook's Country anytime. Scan the QR code or head over to cookscountry.com to sign up for a free trial. And let's make something great together.